Palliative Vergara Funeral Homes.
I feel by the wayside, like everyone else. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, but I was just kidding myself. I'd rather in the moment start a place, 'cause know that you're gonna let hear out the words that I needed to say. And you had under the surface, like trouble water running cold. Well, time could heal, but this won't. So before you go, was there something I could have said?